Hey, this is Brian from Khaki Shorts. I'm going to give you 5 tips and tricks to make your time at Thailand immigration go a little bit smoother.
This is Khaki Shorts, where we cover travel, food, and just utter nonsense.
So number 1, be patient. Nobody in Thailand gets in any big hurry to do anything, especially at immigration. I know it's going to be hard. You want to get in there and get it done. But if things aren't going as quickly as you'd like, just stop, take a deep breath, and be patient. It'll all get done eventually, I promise. Number 2 is give yourself extra time. If your visa runs out on the 15th, don't be running in there on the morning of the 15th expecting to get your visa extended. It's like, maybe it's gonna happen, maybe it's not. But if you don't get it done, guess what? You're paying an overstay fee and you may get put on a blacklist. So always give yourself as much time as possible to get your extensions and your visas finished. Number 3, bring all your paperwork with you to the immigration office. Even if you don't think you need it, bring it with you. That way, if the immigration officer asks for something that you didn't think you needed, you've got it in your bag, you can go make a copy at the copy shop and then bring it back, and hopefully they'll see you the same day. They have a copy shop on the premises at all the immigration offices. That way, if you got something you need to go run out real quick and do it, it's only a couple of baht, get it copied, come right back in. Number 4, the rules for you depend on which day you visit, which office you visit, which officer you see. So just to let you know that it's not the same all over the country. It's not the same depending on who you talk to, what kind of mood that officer in for the day. So you just got to be patient. If they ask for something you weren't expecting, try to have it ready. You can make a copy. If it's something that's way out of the ordinary, that's why you need the extra time. So you can go home, get it. You can go home, take another picture. You can go home and FaceTime with them to show you on your couch. You don't know what you're gonna get. Just another one, but be patient. Take a deep breath, do whatever the officer needs from you, and you'll get your visa. Okay, number 5, arguing with an immigration officer is not going to get you your visa any faster or any smoother. They don't care if you get your visa. They don't care if this is taking up your entire day. They don't care. That's not what they're there for. You are not a customer to them. You are a chore. They are police officers. You are something they have to do. So arguing with them, like, this doesn't make any logical sense. You can't do it this way. Don't go that route. Again, take a deep breath. Whatever they need, that's how you need to do it. We have a saying among a lot of expats who have moved there: you can't change Thailand. You're gonna have to let Thailand change you. That's just how it is. You're gonna have to adapt. So hopefully those 5 tips and tricks will help you a little bit when you go to renew a visa or get a visa at Thailand immigration. We use the one in Phuket Town. I actually have a video tour of the Phuket Town immigration office. If you look up here, one of these, there'll be a thing for that. So make sure you like this video, hit the subscribe button and bell icon so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos about our life here in Thailand and our trips around the world.